Kia ora, talofa, Vinnie from the Mortgage Hub, financial advisor and director. Story time again today. I've got an amazing story that I really want to share with you. Met a wonderful couple who had gone to the bank to seek their first home loan. They had found a property and everything, and unfortunately, it didn't go through. Now, what they didn't know was why it didn't go through, and after digging a bit deeper, we discovered that unfortunately the husband had a bit of a history with his credit impairments, which, let's be honest, there are a lot of us that do. But what we do is we sit down, we find a solution. So what I did, I sat down with them, found out what happened, why they had credit impairments, or why their credit history was so bad. And what that did, it really gave me a story on how I could build the character of the person as to why this credit had appeared on their credit score and why it was sent to collection. So after doing, I guess you'd call it my due diligence, going through stories with them and finding out a bit more about it and how and why it happened, what I was doing was able to send through a application. Now, I couldn't take it to the main banks for now. They were advised to wait for 12 months. So what I did was I took it to a second tier lender, or as we like to call them, a near bank lender, and they managed to secure that house. So they're settling on that house next week. They're absolutely over the moon. They're wrapped. What it does mean though, it does mean the interest rates that they pay are a little bit higher, but it means that they could get into the house now rather than wait for 12 months. We don't know where the rates would be in 12 months. So it's given them the added opportunity to buy the house that they really wanted to. And the goal is in the next 12 to 18 months, as advertised from their bank at the time, we can then refinance them back to the main bank. So it's a win for them. They get the house that they've always wanted to, and it's their first home. So they're really happy with that. And we managed to overcome the objective with the credit score. So if this sounds like you, reach out to us here at the Mortgage Hub and send us a DM. Cheers.